Have you ever been so angry that you did something you could never take back? This is the story of a farmer, a man who had everything a simple life could offer until his own anger destroyed it all. The farmer lived on the edge of a quiet countryside village. His farm was a picture of beauty vineyards heavy with grapes, orchards glowing with red apples and sweet peaches, and fields of tall golden corn that danced under the summer Sunday. Every evening, the air smelled of ripened fruit and fresh soil. His neighbors admired him, saying, "This farmer is truly blessed. His land is his fortune." But behind this blessing was a constant problem. Foxes. They were clever, fast, and always hungry. At night, they crept in through shadows, stealing grapes, biting into apples, and trampling crops. Each morning, the farmer would walk his land and see half-eaten fruit scattered on the ground. At first, he tried to stay patient. He built stronger fences, set up traps, and even stayed awake late with a lantern in hand. But nothing worked. The foxes were always one step ahead. Every day his anger grew until it boiled inside him like fire. He muttered under his breath, one day, I'll catch one. And when I do, I will make it pay for every piece of fruit it has stolen." Then that day came. One early morning, as the first rays of sunlight touched the vineyard, the farmer heard a cry. He rushed over and found a fox caught in one of his traps. The fox twisted and turned, its fur covered in dirt, its eyes full of fear. It looked small and helpless, nothing like the clever thief he had imagined. For a brief moment, the farmer almost felt pity. But then he remembered all the nights of loss, the anger he had swallowed, the grapes, the apples, the corn. His jaw tightened, his heart raced, and in that moment, pity turned into rage. His hands shook as he grabbed a rope, soaked it in oil, and tied it tightly to the fox's tail. The animal whimpered, but the farmer ignored it. With one strike of a flame, the rope caught fire. The fox let out a terrified scream and bolted. Its tail blazed like a torch, sparks flying in every direction. The farmer folded his arms, breathing heavily. "Now you will learn your lesson," he thought. But fate had a lesson prepared for him instead. The fox didn't run into the woods. It ran into the cornfield. The dry stalks were ready for harvest, tall and brittle from the summer Sunday. One spark fell on a leaf. Another landed on the ground. Within seconds, the corn began to burn. The flames spread like wildfire, racing through the field. A strong wind carried the fire faster than the farmer could move. The golden corn he had been so proud of turned black as smoke filled the sky. The farmer shouted, ran for water, threw soil, tried everything, but the fire roared louder. Neighbors came running, but it was too late. Hours of flames ended in silence, and silence revealed the truth. The fox had escaped. The corn was gone. The farmer stood in the middle of ashes, where his harvest once stood. His knees gave way, and he dropped to the ground, clutching the black soil with trembling hands. His lips quivered as he whispered, I destroyed my own field. For all the trouble the fox had caused, it was nothing compared to the disaster his anger had created. This motivational story is more than just about a farmer and a fox. It's a mirror for our own lives. Anger is fire. The flames you light for others may end up burning your own home. Revenge destroys. In trying to punish someone else, you may cause yourself a greater loss. Wisdom is strength. A calm, patient mind saves more than an angry heart ever will. The farmer's regret is a reminder for us all. Don't let anger control your choices. Don't allow rage to destroy what you've worked hard to build. Choose patience. Choose wisdom. Protect your peace. If this story touched you, follow us for more motivational stories, inspirational tales, and life lessons about self-control, wisdom, and personal growth.